I don't know. It's unbelievable. I mean, everything that's happened, you know, my first year, this semester, why not?
Dami yung character mas mag-isip ka naman. Hindi na Mark. Parang you really grown from the pilot up to ito malapit na patapos. Anong pakiramdam na appreciate ng tao yung binubuhos mong acting and energy sa
Syempre masaya. Kasi, I mean, I feel like, you know, I work hard for it. I'm trying to, and I have a lot of people to thank, of course. I've been working with Sean Lewis and a lot of people. So, parang learning from them at the same time. Like, I mean, I'm glad that sana I'm just improving. That's all I want to do is improve.
last question. Yung award niya, nakuha mo together with Tony. The Princess Princess, diba? Now, Tony now, meron siya parang seryoso na manliligaw, tutor. Ano ang masasabi mo? Na merong manliligaw, may seryosong manliligaw.
I mean, for me, if he makes her happy, then that makes me happy. You know, I wish her all the best for everything. She's really trying my best. It really touched me. I just want her to be happy.
Thanks, Sam. Good luck.